We'll guide you through how to get your Namecheap API key. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, hover over your username at the top right corner and select Dashboard from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, find and click on Profile to expand the menu, then select Tools from the options. Here, you will see the API Access section. Click on it and you will be taken to the API Access page where you can manage your API settings. Now, you'll need to enable API access if it hasn't been activated yet. Click on the Enable button and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your action. Once enabled, you will see a section labeled API Key. If a key has not yet been generated, you can click on Generate API Key to create a new one. After generating, make sure to copy it to a secure location as you'll need it for API integrations. You may also want to note the IP whitelist section, where you can specify which IP addresses are allowed to access your API. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only trusted sources can interact with your Namecheap account via the API. If you ever need to regenerate your API key, you can simply return to this page and select the option to do so. Remember to update any applications or services that use the old key with the new one to maintain connectivity. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Namecheap API key. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.